K. Havana syndrome attacks are remote wireless electromagnetic cyber attacks with global GPS targeting capabilities. Hacking, audio surveillance tracking and torture by modifying our GPS signal. HackRF1/RTL SDR produces an L1 1575 42 MHz GPS microwave carrier signal. Yes, our GPS signal. Digital phase lock loop DPLL, oscillating voltage circuit. P. C. With GPS transceiver. L1 plus DPLL equals electromagnetic signal that can hack any of your wireless electronics just by saturating blanketing an area you are in. Prolonged saturation causes electromagnetic hypersensitivity syndrome and microwave auditory effect hearing aka Havana syndrome attacks.